Today, AI has become the talk of the town because AI is used in every sector in terms of agriculture, in terms of education, in terms of space. AI is used everywhere. In this backdrop, we are going to discuss about an AI which has been developed by Chinese startup DeepSeek. Hello and welcome to the in news series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is about an AI which has been developed by DeepSeek startup. So why this particular AI has created stir in all over the world? So we are going to discuss about that. Moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss that why is DeepSeek causing a stir, then who is behind DeepSeek, then we are going to discuss that how does China see about the DeepSeek, and then we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to this TIS channel. Moving towards to the news part. So before moving to the news part, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS Noida address is C171/2 Block A Sector 15 Noida Uttar Pradesh and nearest metro station is Noida Sector 15. The ISGS Foundation class will begin by 17th of February 6 p.m. in English medium, in Hindi medium 21st February 11:30 a.m. If you want to know more information about such classes, you can call on to the number 87501 and 87501. So coming to the news part, so what we have seen that during last week there is an AI which has been developed by what you can say DeepSeek startup, and there are different version of that AI, but particularly R1 version of that particular AI has been downloaded a lot across the world, and sometimes it is feel like that it is threatening to the chat GPT which has been widely used all over the world. So that has created a lot of stir in all over the world, and people have started questioning about this DeepSeek, that what is DeepSeek. So many people have become curious about this DeepSeek, and after inquiry we got to know about this DeepSeek, that this is DeepSeek is a Chinese startup, and they have developed this particular AI, and that is giving the challenge to the chat GPT. And the fact is that this has been developed in a very low cost, and it is around less than 6 million. So that has become a more talk of the town because the cost is very much low in comparison to the other kind of AI technology. And also people are starting questioning over America, because America is leading into the AI sector. So they are starting questioning over the America, that how much they are investing into their AI sector, and with the help of small amount of money we can see that DeepSeek is becoming viral all over the world. So this is the thing. Now here we'll discuss about that why is DeepSeek causing a stir. So the first thing is this, that this is 20 to 50 times cheaper than the OpenAI equivalent. Also what we can see that here there was a ban from the American side, that they were not exporting their chip to the China, and in that sense the China has given reply to the America that if we are not exporting chip from you, we can develop our own. And China has also given message to the America that if you are controlling and if you have a better margin into the AI sector, does not mean that you will win in this scenario. So they had developed their own, and that on a very low cost. So this is also one of the reason that has created stir. And also there was so many discussion related to this, that the cost which is less than 6 million is doubtful by various stakeholders, and they are saying that maybe this is a wrong, because they had not cited that how much money they had spent on the training of their employees and other things. And also because of this particular DeepSeek, what we can see that so many share market have been down, especially the American share market, and their stock had been what you can say slipped down. So these are the regions that has created stir in all over the world media. Now we'll discuss the another aspect of it, that who is behind DeepSeek. So it is a Hangzhou based startup whose controlling shareholder is Liang Wenfeng and co-founder of quantitative hedge fund Highflyer based on the Chinese corporate records. So this is about that. This is a Hangzhou being startup, and it is a shareholder by the Liang Wenfeng, and Mr. Liang Fund announced in March 2023 on its official WeChat account that it was starting again. So this is about the brief introduction about the DeepSeek, and it has been started in the 2023, and in just 1 year what we can see that it has become viral and so many millions people have downloaded this particular app. And ChatGPT makers OpenAI define AGI as autonomous system that surpass humans in most economically valuable tasks. So many people are also challenging that it can be efficient as ChatGPT, but might be we had not analyze it very carefully, so we cannot know that whether it is sustainable in nature, because America AI sector is very sustainable in nature. If they are spending billions on it, it means that they are becoming very powerful, and it is not just talk of the town for 1 or 2 days or for 1 month or for a very short period of time, because America is dominating the AI market. So this has been also in question, that whether this particular DeepSeek will sustain or not, and whether it will have some curbs, and what are the what you can say transparency challenges associated with, privacy challenges associated with it. So there are few concerns related to it. So this is that why so many lack of transparency in it. So that's why this is under the question. But till now, if we'll discuss about that, whatever the given cost and whatever the impact it has done, so it has a better impact than ChatGPT. Now we'll discuss the how Beijing view DeepSeek. So if we'll talk about that, China, how China is considering this. So if we'll talk about, so China is taking it positively, because with this kind of technology and with this kind of startup, the China is able to counter the America. So in that sense, the Beijing is very much positive about this thing, because they are giving reply to the America, and they are showing to the world that America cannot only dominate to this particular AI world. Now we'll discuss the question part. The question is pretty simple. Consider the following statement about the DeepSeek AI models. DeepSeek V3 and DeepSeek R1 are AI models developed by Chinese startup. These models are claimed to be on par with OpenAI and Meta's advanced AI models. DeepSeek R1 is reported to be 20 to 50 times more expensive than the OpenAI equivalent model. This is very easy one. You can answer into the comment section. Which of the statement given above is are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. So you can answer into the comment section. And this is a mains question for you, that how India is viewing AI, because we can see that in recent discussion, AI has been used in agriculture, AI has been used in education sector, AI has been used in space sector, AI has been used in medical sector, and India is also focusing on the usage of AI, though AI also has some concerns, especially the data concern and data breach concerns and privacy concerns. So how India is viewing AI? Is it a threat for the country's development, or is it what you can say beneficials for country development? This would be very simple question. So you can analyze that how we can efficiently use AI for the development of the country, and how with the help of AI India can become a Viksit Bharat. So this would be mains question for you. That's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask into the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.